Alright guys, today we're looking at NTI day 11, which is finding the volume of a cylinder and finding the volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, the first thing that we need to know is your volume is going to be the area of the base, which we're going to denote with a capital B instead of a lowercase b, times the height of either the cylinder or the height of the prism. Now the height of these objects is the distance from one base, so where the squares are on the rectangle and the circles are on the cylinder, the distance from one base to the next base. That's going to be the height of your prism or the height of your cylinder. Okay, so for a cylinder, the area of our base is going to be different than finding the area of our base for a rectangular prism. For a cylinder, we have to use the formula to find the area of a circle, and knowing the diameter is all that we need to know. The area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay, it gives us our radius, so we're going to plug that in, pi 10 squared. And all we're going to do is punch that in our handy dandy calculator, and that is going to give us 314.16. Okay, so that is the area of our base. That's our capital B, and then our formula is going to be the area of the base times the height of the cylinder. So 314.16 times 11, and that is going to give us somewhere in the ballpark of 3,455.75. And what was the unit of measure on that? Yards. We always have to remember to put our unit of measurement, and then anytime that we're doing volume, our measurements are going to be cubed. Okay, so whenever we move on to our rectangular prisms, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find the area of the base first. So the area of our base, here's our base right here. They have 1 inch sides, so it's going to be 1 times 1. Okay, pretty easy. That's 1. So that's going to be our capital B, 1, and we're going to plug that in, capital B times the height of the rectangular prism, which again is the distance from one base to the next base. So that's going to be 2. 1 times 2. So our volume is going to be 2 inches cubed.